Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Rust crashing on startup, so let's get started. For the first method, make sure to open the Steam launcher. Once this pop up, go to library, after that select collections. Now search for the Rust game, you'll find it right here. After that, go to the gear icon, which is manage, and select properties. Now this tab will pop up, make sure to go to installed files. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing file will be recovered and the crashing problem should be gone. For the second method, go to the Windows search bar, after that type in NVIDIA app. Now this will open. Make sure to go to drivers in the left menu. After that, make sure to install and download the latest driver update. You will find the install or download button or the check button right here. So make sure to click on it and make sure to install it. After that, go to settings in the search bar. Once you get redirected right here, go to Windows Update in the left menu and make sure to download and install all the latest available updates you find. That way, you will avoid any type of driver crashing and hopefully your problem should be gone. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.